Truth. What is the most... Oh, I already told you that one. Sincerity.
Stupid dog.
Oh my gosh, it keeps landing on me. Have you ever argued with anyone in this room?
Yes.
Yeah. It's me again. If you had to spend eternity with one person in this room, who would it be? Jalen. Who else? Okay, it's your turn.
Fine.